Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today we're going on a yacht day with GhanaGirlsConnect. It's a little community I've joined since like 2023 and no, 2024, early 2024. So it's been like a year and a half with them. I love them, and it's a nonprofit organization. I'll leave their link down in my description below just in case you want to check them out. But yeah, it's just a way that I meet new girls from the diaspora and connect, and we just go on these cute little fun events. And today's a yacht day in DC. So this is the fit. What do y'all think? It's giving white, clean, and classy. And then I'm gonna have on wedges to go with it, and obviously put my jewelry on, my rings. I already got my shimmer on, and you know the vibes. But I don't want to be late because the boat leaves at a certain time, so I don't even have time for none of that. We gotta go when we gotta go. So I'm ready, as you guys can see. I did a little bit of get ready with me, but like, you'll see it. At the end of the day, let's go have some fun on a boat in July and summer. I'm so excited. And yeah, let's go have some fun. Without you, I could feel lose my mind. Without you, I could feel fall under. Without you, I could give up my life. Without you, without you. Never need a mechanism. Open up, make us feel. I'm alone, one thing. Make your band man sing. Alright, vlog. I am down here by the water, the Navy Yard, and I'm early. Surprise, surprise. Guys, like, I honestly thought I was going to be chasing the boat, swimming to the boat to make it on there because my ETA was looking real crazy, but I have a whole hour before we get on the boat, which is great. So time to just sit and chat with y'all for a second, let y'all see the view. It's so nice right now. They saying something about thunderstorms and rain and you know, all that. We love Maryland weather or DC weather, DMV, whatever it's giving. It's been raining like crazy this summer, but nonetheless, I'm here. It feels great outside. Y'all saw the fit. I'm wearing like the little white tube dress situation, and yeah, I'm just ready for a good time on a yacht with the girls. Okay guys, it's officially time to head out on the yacht. I'm with a few of the girls, and the yacht leaves at 6 p.m. It's 5:55 p.m. and we did get a flash flood warning. Oh great. But essentially I think everything will be okay. I hope so. I'll let y'all know. But we have made it. It looks amazing out here. I gotta show y'all. I'm trying not to be so in my face. But look at this, guys. So as you guys can see, it's a beautiful area, and essentially, and it's still gonna be a beautiful yacht day, despite the flash flood warning that we keep getting. But yeah, it's so beautiful by the water. I love being by the water. I can't wait to get on this yacht and just have a good time with the girls. That's funny. That's crazy. Guys, the flag is about to go up. Oh.
So all y'all are part of like Ghana Girls Connect?
Yes, yes.
I see her. She don't know me, but I see her.
Who is it?
Just come to the gate.
You know, I knew Ghanaian. Why do you have those fine girls waiting for you? You say Ghanaian men.
What do you mean? I don't see nobody. Where are they at?
You have us waiting.
Someone's got to
Okay, all right, okay. All right, cool. All right.
He's going to come up here.
It's a whole situation. Yeah, some of the ladies are showing up. But it's about to be time. We're about to eat good.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Any more drinks? Are these the only drinks?
Yeah, they're getting a couple of more bottles.
All right, okay.
Why is my camera acting so weird? Girl. Would we even be Ghanaians if we weren't on Ghanaian time, I guess?
That's really the one.
So just...
If you see my baby, you gon' shut up for me. All that to find, no be make up for me, baby, right now, no. Finish up for me,
Everybody from
And guys, that's a wrap with Ghana Girls.
I wanted to. Trust me. Weddings?
What?
That's a wrap with Ghana Girls Connect. Y'all see how we get down? We get down. We get down around here. We're a good time as well, guys.
They don't show up. We lost like thousands of dollars.
Ghana Girls Connect is such a good time. I love being a Ghana girl through and through. As you can tell, I'm probably a little lit. you know the word. But nonetheless, it's such a good time with Ghana Girls Connect. Just meeting other people and women of the diaspora. I love it here. We had a time. Bye!